In this video, we will learn how to get familiar with the PowerPoint 365 interface, which is essential for anyone who is new to using this software. Understanding the interface is the first step to working effectively with slides, inserting data, and preparing a professional presentation. The PowerPoint interface is designed to help users create and organize content efficiently. At the center of the workspace is the main area where you can input your data. This is where you type your text, insert images, charts, or any other content you want to present. Above the data entry area, you'll find the toolbars and command buttons. These include everything you need to format your text, insert elements like shapes or images, apply design themes, and set up transitions or animations. Learning to navigate these tools will make your work much easier and more efficient. Below the main slide editing area, there is a section called the notes area. This is where you can add your speaker notes or reminders about what to say when presenting each slide. It's a useful place to write down key points or extra explanations that you want to mention during your presentation, but don't want to appear directly on the slide. Getting familiar with these main sections of PowerPoint is a necessary foundation before moving on to creating more advanced presentations. By knowing where to enter content, where to find commands, and how to use the notes area, you'll be better equipped to use PowerPoint effectively. This concludes our introduction to the PowerPoint 365 interface. Mastering this layout will help you create and deliver presentations with more confidence and professionalism.